platform, headquartered in Bangalore. It sells products in various categories, including consumer electronics, fashion, home essentials, groceries, and lifestyle products. Flipkart Plus, a loyalty program offering free and fast delivery, early access to sales, and other benefits, is its premium service. Have complaints about online shopping on Flipkart? Don't fret. You can complain to Flipkart customer support or communicate with executives through chat to resolve your concerns. Common issues you may report: shipping delays, delays in the shipment, delivery, or receipt of orders, particularly during busy periods. Quality concerns, issues with the quality of products or broken defective items, especially those that are priced attractively low. Customer service, slower than expected response times from customer service. Returns and refunds, challenges related to returns, exchanges, payment issues, and refunds. You should know how to resolve your complaints when shopping online and where to escalate if not resolved. If you have faced these problems on Flipkart, here are some steps to help you file a complaint. Please note, for any violation of consumer rights by Flipkart, you can file a consumer complaint to the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, Department of Consumer Affairs. How to register an order or delivery complaints of Flipkart. Customers of Flipkart or its seller partner can use this grievance redressal mechanism. Flow chart for grievance redressal mechanism of Flipkart. Flipkart complaint fee and redressal time. Fee 0 rupees, no charge. Levels of complaint resolution. Level 1. File a complaint to customer service, Flipkart. Level 2. Escalate to grievance officer, Flipkart. Level 3. Appeal to consumer forum, NCDRC. If still not resolved, you may take legal action against Flipkart by approaching the respective consumer court or legal court. Level 1. Customer care, Flipkart. For shopping or seller issues such as product delivery, cancellation, refunds, and other online order problems, you can call the customer care number, email your concerns, or chat online through the Flipkart app. Register your complaints here. Flipkart complaint number 180020 Customer care number +914445614700 +914466904690. Seller. WhatsApp +919880956318. Complain online to Flipkart. File a complaint. Online help and filing complaints to Flipkart. If you prefer a physical mode, write a complaint letter or visit in person at the head office of Flipkart. The address is: office address, visit the office at Flipkart Internet Private Limited, Buildings Alissa, Begonia and Clove Embassy Tech Village, Outer Ring Road, Devrabisnali Village, Bangalore 560103, Karnataka. Note: returns are not accepted at this official address. Request a return from the Flipkart website or mobile app if needed. Tips: sellers can get help from the help and support page here. https://seller.flipkart.com/sell-online/help-and-support. In your complaint, be sure to include the following information: order ID, nature of the complaint, a detailed description of the issue, including specific problems such as delays, refunds, damaged or defective items, among other concerns. Attach supporting documents or photos of the product or item. If your initial attempt to resolve your complaint is unsuccessful, consider sending follow-up emails or making additional calls to escalate the matter to high-level executives. Further, you may escalate the case to the grievance officer of Flipkart, highlighting the urgency of your situation. Level 2. Escalate to grievance officer, Flipkart. If your lodged complaints are not resolved to your satisfaction within the specified resolution period, escalate your complaint to the appointed grievance officer of Flipkart. The disputes may include violation of privacy, unresolved consumer complaints, delivery order, or seller concerns. With reference acknowledgement ID of previous complaints, send an email or write to the officer here. Designation: Grievance Officer, Flipkart. Phone number 180020 to 9898. Email grievance.officer@flipkart.com. Address: Senior Manager, Flipkart Internet Pvt Ltd, Block B, Begonia, 8th floor, Embassy Tech Village, Outer Ring Road, Devrabisnahalli Village, Varthur Hubli, Bangalore East Taluk, Bangalore District, Karnataka 560103. If necessary, you also have the option to contact a consumer protection agency such as the National Consumer Helpline, NCH, or take legal action against Flipkart. Level 3. Approach Consumer Forum, NCDRC. For product quality or if you believe your consumer rights have been violated by Flipkart, file a consumer complaint with the Consumer Forum, Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. When lodging your complaint, ensure you provide detailed information about the product and service. Product details include product identification numbers, the brand name, and manufacturer information. Flipkart order details, service charges or fees. Additional details, attach supporting evidence such as photos of the product, billing information, and any prior communications with Flipkart attempting to resolve the issue. Expected claim or compensation. File your consumer complaint to the respective consumer authority. National Consumer Helpline, NCH. Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Court. You can also complain against Flipkart for any unusual business activities to the Competition Commission of India, CCI, or the Department of Consumer Affairs. Please note, for any complaints related to food products bought from Flipkart, you can complain to the FSSAI. How to file a food complaint? Finally, you may approach the legal authorities by taking legal action against the company.